Welcome. Today we're going to talk about the VAL-CO Lott Stick. The Lott Stick is used to verify the flow rate on your drinkers, and we'll first talk about the system when you get it and a couple different variants of that, and then we'll do some measurements ourselves. Okay, when you get the Lott Stick, you're going to get 3 pieces in the box. You'll get the Lott Stick, you'll get the handle, and you'll get a handle extension. Okay, the Lott Stick can be used in 2 different configurations. The first one is for floor watering. You would take the handle and screw it in the top, and if needed you could use the extension, which just pushes on. There's an O-ring that holds that on. If you're doing cage watering, you're going to install the handle on the side so that you can reach into the cage. Okay, to use the Lott Stick, we're going to depress the drinker nipple on the screen and allow the water to run in and fill up the graduated tube here. So we'll set an alarm for 15 seconds. We'll bring this up, we'll let it run for the 15 seconds. When the 15 seconds is over, then we'll drop this and we'll take our reading off of here and multiply times 4. So during this test, we came up with just under 10 milliliters of water in the Lott Stick graduated tube. So if we multiply that times 4, we're going to be about 36 to 40 milliliters. To get your final numbers, you may want to do a couple of readings just to average that out, and then just adjust your water levels based on the age of your birds to get to the proper flow rates.